This morning we were with Paul Joyce from Leighton Buzzard. Good morning, Paul.
Good morning.
Tell me, what path did you take into franchising?
Well, I did extensive research and going to a couple of the franchise fairs, looking at some of the other franchises that were around at the time. I was very fortunate enough to have my friend who worked in Kings Langley, Watford area, who was doing this and made quite a success from it, so I decided to follow his footsteps.
So Paul, you looked at the cleaning industry and oven cleaning in particular. What was it that drew you to Oven Wizards itself?
Well, with Oven Wizards, it was the flexibility of being able to run my own business my way. It was having the constant backing of franchise owners and franchisees. The other guys that are in Oven Wizards are extremely helpful and very accommodating.
Thanks for that, Paul. And how about the training? What training did you receive?
I received extensive training where I went away to the Cotswolds for a few weeks to be trained up by a technician that's been doing it for quite a number of years now. It was on the job training as well, which was great. Instead of being stuck away in a classroom, it was actually doing it live in people's houses, which I found really beneficial.
And what kind of ongoing support do you get?
Constant ongoing support. I can't fault Oven Wizards at all for that. Either the owners are ringing up to check how I am, or the guys that are other franchise owners are constantly ringing up either to help me or to give me work, or even sometimes with some of the problems I have to ring up with, either doors not coming off or other problems.
So Paul, can you describe your typical day for me?
Yeah, of course. Waking up at approximately about 7, come downstairs, letting the dog out, getting the van prepped either the night before, and sometimes if it's a cold day, prepping it before I go to the jobs. Obviously on the road it's quite difficult to stop for a lunch break, but you end up eating as and when, which is quite good in some ways. Some of the places you go to are out of this world, and some of the places aren't. It's such a different day every day, which is what I like. Different people, different places.
And how many jobs are you doing a day now?
Approximately about 3. I have done 4, which was extremely hard, but that was all in one road. But I have done 3 on quite a regular basis now, but that was due to the help from another franchisee giving me some work that he couldn't cover, so that's been really good.
And how do you see the future panning out for you?
Well, in the future I plan to get another van on the road, hopefully. I plan to be doing this for a long time to come, to establish myself in the given territories that I've been given. It's all looking very positive at the moment, and compared to where I've come from, it's all looking very good.
Great, thanks very much, Paul.